Hey friends, it's time for a hashtag Coins for Kids update. Now over the last few months, I've been geocaching locally and I've been finding some coins in some caches. I've also been out to Kansas for Mingo Madness and we found some coins in Kansas and Colorado. So let's take a look at what we've found and where we're at this time. First of all, I was out geocaching with my grandson Dino Eric, and I told him if we found any coins that I would multiply it by 10 for his 10th birthday. Because we're out geocaching and Eric found a penny in this cache. This is the first coin we've found, and I think we've found probably about 15 geocaches so far. It's only a penny, but times 10, that's 10 cents. 10 cents going into the hashtag Coins for Kids jar. Alright, good way to go, Eric. Another time I went to get my car washed and there was a geocache there in the light pole. And look what I found, 55 cents. I was geocaching in a little park and I found 5 pennies. And would you believe it, I did maintenance on one of my caches and I found this gold dollar piece.
You gotta be kidding me.
Coins for kids?
Coins for kids. Coins for kids right here in Colorado. Let's see what we got. 26 cents.
Yes.
Baby.
You can do that math real quick. I still struggle.
This is 25 plus.
25 cents.
This is 25 plus 1.
Oh, yeah.
It's that Australian math he has a problem with.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
Wasn't expecting that.
Hashtag Coins for Kids.
That's right.
Mr. Neil Moore. Mr. Neil Moore.
Yes, yes.
The sound of Coins for Kids in Colorado. How much have we got this time? Hey, Moss, you're going to have to count it for me. What is that? 1 cent? 1, 2, 3 cents? Is that what's a dime?
10 cents.
10 cents. 13 cents.
Nice.
13 cents.
Woohoo.
Unlucky for some.
Maybe we'll do a three-peat or watch Mr. Halemeister sprain his ankle.
I need that Coins for Kids for the hospital bill.
Seriously? Coins for Kids? It makes sense.
No coins for kids in this one. Just a stupid log sheet. Wait, did I say that? That's it. People are dying to get in. True.
He fumbles, but he recovers.
Get some tumbleweed out of the way.
Oh, my fat fingers.
It's whiz bang. We didn't even know those are coins for kids, and it didn't.
5 cents, isn't it?
That's
Sorry.
10.
10 cents.
10 cents.
See? Another tenner.
Yay!
You know who's on the dime?
No idea.
I like Ike.
Eisenhower.
Ah.
Right, Eisenhower.
There's your civics lesson for the day.
Thank you.
Now you can pass that naturalization test. Holy cow!
Mr. Moore, Mr. Moore.
Hashtag Coins for Kids.
I've got to work this out again now.
All right,
25 cents, I think, and 1 cent. 26 cents. Is that correct?
that is correct, sir.
Yes. You get coins for kids in Colorado.
Cactus?
You got cactus?
Cactus?
You got cactus? You got cactus? That brings us to June. So that brings my grand total right at this moment to $23.93. I hope that you're finding coins and that you're saving them for December when Geocache Talk has their Podcast of Hope, and you can donate that to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you're participating in #CoinsForKids.